videos that I got dropped because I've been working, you know. I've been working. But I had a video that I need to drop before I start dropping the rest of them every week because they kind of go like hand in hand. So yeah, y'all like my new little lip thing that I'm doing? I got this intensive butter gloss from Nikiss and this lip liner from Palladio. It's in dark brown. It's a pencil. So I'm just trying something out. Don't come for me, all right? But if y'all just seen y'all just read the title. I know y'all read the title because like, yeah. Then y'all know I'm very, very happy today. I'm very, very happy. Yes, I'm very, very happy. Well, it won't be today by the time this video uploads, but you get it. This is my first ever time getting something sent to me. So yeah, your girl coming up in the world. Your girl coming up in the world. Good times. To drop. Sorry. Ooh, y'all, I gotta do my eyebrows. I'm probably drop a video on how I do my eyebrows and how I do my lashes. Y'all, I did my lashes, but it's like they're coming off. So yeah. But as you can tell by the description and the title and all that, this is an Amazon vendor. They contacted me by email on the the first. Well, we was in contact for a good minute, but it was not the first. It was like last month, almost to the end of last month, and we was in contact for a long time. But they told me about the order was processed and all that by the first. It was sent out. I think it was sent out like a couple days after that. I got it today, and today is the 10th. Today's May 10th. I got it this morning. To y'all, it's probably like a long time, but due to, I mean, it was free. If you like spend enough, well, it'd probably be enough because the wig is $79.99, and due to the virus, it took longer than what we expected. I was actually supposed to get the wig, well, kind of not really. I was actually supposed to get the wig tomorrow, but I ended up getting it today. Well, as long as I got it, I didn't care. But yeah, but they sent me a 10-inch 150 density curly bob wig, as you probably saw on my little thingamajiggy. So the vendor is called Nikiss hair. And like I told you, I didn't tell you the length. Does this tell you the length yet? Oh, okay, well, let's just tell you the length. The length is 10-inch. Yeah. This is like not the first time me having any short hair. Maybe me putting a wig on my channel. Yeah. But let's get inside this. This box is real cute. I really don't want to mess it up, but I'm gonna have to. If y'all hear my TV in the back, just ignore it. Matter of fact, let me turn it down. Cause yeah. Damn, I'm struggling. Alright. Ooh, sorry. Okay. Oh. What? Okay, that's cool. Ooh, I got goodies here. They gave me a cap. I like that. They gave me an elastic band. That is so nice. I actually need an elastic band. I actually If y'all don't know that, like, everything that I be having around me, y'all should know that my favorite color is purple slash lavender. This big bag. I mean, it's cute like that. See that? It smell like it don't stink. It just smells new. Like a dog hair. Alright, so let's check it out. I bet these not gonna look bleached, so we gonna have to bleach. That ain't no big deal though. We got 1, 2, 3. We got 4 combs. We got lace in the back. You ain't putting your hair in a ponytail or anything like that. Nothing fancy. You would just cut the lace off. Yeah, I do have a little adjustable little scrappy things in the back. And that's that. Let me show y'all. I'm not sure the part. Matter of fact, I'm gonna find out. And all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. It's all these kisses and hugs and not shit. No shit. We're gonna try it on. You see how it look before we go and bleach these knots. Y'all see I think I can braids in there? Yes, I had them for a long time. Gee, y'all need it's okay. I got one more day to watch days, so don't wait on me. Baby hair too. You a damn drug, you toxic. I go on the team because that's like the only thing that you probably be seeing. Majority of the time I wear my hair inside a middle part, so yeah. So we're gonna put it back on and see how it looks since the knots are bleached. It probably don't look no different to y'all, but it's a whole difference to me. Alright, so y'all, I'm about to bleach that. Wait, where I bleach the knots at? It's in the middle. But it's not in the middle now. Ah! That just hurt it. These clips gotta dissolve. Was this it right here? It's right here. Okay, I gotta put a part in it so y'all can see. I should do ours on my head, but I forget what it's at. Since I didn't like put a big old spot right there. This is pink plucked. And I got a little baby hairs from me, so the only thing I had to do was bleach the knots. And yeah, I'm gonna get my razor and I'm gonna take these combs that's on the side away because it's gonna hurt me. If I was like I'm not doing a bald cap method, y'all, because I'm kind of like over it. Like I'm over it as I'm just like, y'all see me do it all the time. I mean, yeah. Check it out. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, my wigs behind me just scared me. That's why I just look like that. I'm gonna take the one in the middle also. Y'all ain't gotta take it off, y'all. If y'all wanna keep them on there, y'all can. I'm not taking the one off the back off because it actually helps secure the wig. Ouch, just hurt myself. Hey, it's like stuff is just keep like being disrespectful to me. Dang, I just want to put the wig on, hater.
Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all.
Why, yeah, that's why I'm pleased to that. So,
It's so crazy.
yeah.
I get on.
So, okay. Now I'm gonna show y'all something. Since I bleached the knots, if I didn't bleach the knots, we will go get shedding. But since I bleached the knots, we got shedding.
Pause. Okay, I used a 40 volume developer, and when I left it on there for like 35 minutes, it took like really fast. So I have like a tremendous amount of shedding, but it's not nothing too bad. Resume.
That's not. Oh. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'll tell you, I did pluck it a little bit, so yeah, it is gonna be shedding, but that's to be expected. It's not to bleaching in this. That's to be expected. Don't cry over spilled milk. Okay. Alright. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray this down on my lip balm. I just found this, y'all. I just found my lip balm after like a whole month and a half having it. I recently just found it. This is old. I got this from my college school. Which I was doing like Soul Beauty. I'm gonna use a wide too. Somebody's like, wow. I want it to look a certain
Problematic. You know that dick always.
So I don't know if y'all know, but her name is, okay, she always be like, hey fairies. I don't think I'm gonna pronounce her name. Andrea, I think that's how you pronounce it. Well, she had a series like a while back, a curly hair series, and she had a wig that looked like this, but it was parted in the middle. So that's what we're doing today. I'll post like a picture right here. So that's what we're doing today. I know y'all probably be like, girl, you just doing all basic stuff. First off, we're gonna get to the intense stuff real soon. So just be patient, alright? Alright? Okay. I kinda like it like this. But that's not how she had her hair. So spray it again. She had it in the middle, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it in the middle. What do you do? It's really cute like this. That's not what we're doing, okay? Dang. Stick to the program. Okay, we're going. We're gonna pin this back so I can find my clip. You know what's crazy? I just said, let me take, before I start back recording, let me take everything out that I need. And then I looked at the clip and then I just didn't take it out. That's just so like me. The air tag. I'm gonna tighten the back first before I can say. So some of y'all don't know, and some of y'all just take these two and y'all just clip them together. Y'all, it's like little pockets back here that y'all supposed to put them on. I don't know if y'all know that, but I just told y'all. I just taught y'all something. Now, can't ever say I ain't teach y'all nothing. So you just clip them on. to back, just pull it and clip it. I can never get it right. Okay, there we go. Nope, I lied.